How's it going? This is your boy Devontae. This is just a little quick video. My question to you is, what is your motivation to succeed? My number one motivation is God. Second, my family. My son. Look at him. He's so adoring. I love my son. And also my fiance and my family. You got to find your motivation. Him and my fiance is what keeps me going every day, and also God. And I work hard every day. That's why success has hit me right in the face right now. I love Newcopia. It's changing my family's life, every day. Success is, it's just building up, and one day it just want to explode. Like I said, before 21, I'm going to retire, point blank, period. After a while, y'all gonna see me on just making these videos with a high-tech camera, with nice suits on. I love Newcopia. I love my family. My family is my motivation. I work hard from every day. I would do anything for my son and my family. I love him to death. You gotta find in yourself. You can't doubt yourself. You can't say I've struggled and I've sucked all my life. You can't do that. No, there's no excuse. No excuses. I know some people go through some crazy things, but you can't let that beat you up for the rest of your life. You gotta keep pushing forward. God is what kept me strong. Us being our own. Ain't gonna lie. Sometimes it gets hard, but it's getting better. You gotta keep faith and keep looking forward. Don't let nothing distract you. Like God, like in the scripture I love, 2 Chronicles 20:20, have faith in the Lord your God, and you will be upheld. I have faith in him every time he always pulls me through. So that's why right now I'm so successful. People, right now they're looking at me. And it feels amazing because I've always wanted to do is to help others. I have a big heart to help others. I'm going to change lives. As I am now. I'm going to give back to less for them. I want to give back to people that's struggling. That's what I want to do. And like I said, my motivation, is just to make a better life for my family, and those around me. Not just me, people in the world. I'm not about money. I want to be, I want to be wealthy, having a, big nice house, pretty grass, all that stuff. But changing lives is what is important to me. Money will come and go. That life, that smile or that one, that one hello, that one motivational quote can change someone's life. You never know. And Newcopia, that's what we're doing daily. We're not just changing people's lives financially, but we're changing their life, as what they've been going through. Some people feel, depressed, down, feel like they have nobody, and we're here for them. And that's what it's about, helping others. So find your motivation. Don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on your family. Do it for, do it for your future, your college, pay the college, your family, your mom, your dad, your debt. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. If you ever need any help whatsoever, contact me. I have Skype, I have, I have a phone, I have email, I have all that at the bottom of this video. Just check out the Newcopia link, and let this change your life. You're not going to be alone. We're not going to leave you hanging. We're going to be here for you. And that's a promise from me to you. So believe in yourself no matter what you're going through. Keep hope, pray to God, and believe in it. Just believe.